What is up and welcome to another video. Join me today, guys. Today is March 13 and it's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? All right. So we'll talk about Bitcoin and also we are going to talk about why I am shorting Bitcoin. So I'm going to explain it to you. I'm going to share with you my thoughts about the market. And of course, let's find some good trades today if you are ready. Let's dive right in.
All my fellas.
Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. So we have reached 10,781 subscribers in the last, I think we have gained around 3,000 or 2,500 subscribers in the past 2 weeks, guys. So this is one of the reasons why I think retails are FOMOing right now into the Bitcoin pump. And of course, we have a lot of inflows coming from iBit, BlackRock, and GBTC or Grayscale continue to sell and unload their Bitcoin in the market. So one of the reasons why I'm shorting Bitcoin right now is because this is the first time in the history of Bitcoin that we have seen like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row. Green candles, 7 green candles in a row, guys. So what are the odds that we might see a red candle this April? So probably it is likely, in my own opinion, and especially majority is super bullish right now. I can't find like a single person around me who is bearish. So majority right now are super bullish and market is driving FOMO right now. So I'm shorting Bitcoin because fear and greed index is on the extreme greed level. So again, when everyone is so greedy, guys, we should be fearful. We should be greedy when majority are fearful. So right now we are on the extreme greed level 90. We are on the 90 level, guys. So we are almost over overbought. Majority of the altcoins, major altcoins right now are in the overbought area. Almost in the past 2 months we are on that overbought area. So Bitcoin is still up, guys, today, up by 2.48%. And yesterday we have seen Bitcoin drop to $68,000. Ethereum is still holding that level. And today we have good news. Denken upgrade was successfully done, guys. So the main reason for the Denken upgrade is to reduce the gas fee on the Ethereum's blockchain. And also BNB is pumping, guys, $584, up by 7.5%. Solana is also up by 5.9% in the past 24 hours, up by 21% in the past 7 days, guys. And also looking at this fear and greed index, again, we are on the extreme greed level in the past 2 weeks. And looking at this max chart, guys, Bitcoin has reached this level for like very few times. Last June 2019, another one here, December 2020. And most of the time, every time Bitcoin reaches above or reaches this 90 level on the fear and greed index, we are seeing a major correction, guys. And that is approximately around 30 to 50%. So let's see if the history repeats itself again. I'm going to stick to my plan. I think we're going to see that final shakeout before or on the day of the halving itself. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think? Should we see a red month in the month of April? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are we on price discovery? We are on price discovery right now. Bitcoin is on price discovery. Similar to what happened in 2021 when Bitcoin broke the previous all-time high, $65,000. We are at price discovery when Bitcoin broke that 65,000 level. And guess what? Bitcoin have reached 69,000 level and then made a major correction, guys. But right now, I think it's different because, again, we have massive inflows coming from all this spot Bitcoin ETF. Today alone, BlackRock accumulated an additional 12,000 Bitcoins, guys. So that is massive, massive inflows of money coming into Bitcoin. And soon enough, those money will flow into altcoins. So again, long term, I'm super bullish, guys. I'm super bullish. Bitcoin, if the inflows coming from the ETF and if BlackRock alone will allocate just 1 trillion, imagine they are 10 trillion asset manager, guys. So if they are going to allocate only $1 trillion into Bitcoin, that will bring Bitcoin like around $500,000 each, guys. So that is still very likely in the future. So again, I'm shorting Bitcoin not for long term. This is just a short term. I'm talking about in the coming months, month of April, before or on the halving day itself. So probably we're talking about 1 to 1.5 months. So that's around 30 to 45 days from now. I'm expecting a major shakeout before that parabolic run. Long-term bags, I'm still holding Bitcoin, guys. I've sold some at 61,000, sold another batch at around $65,000. So right now we are, or 69,500. So right now, Bitcoin is at 72, guys. And look at this. We have several bearish divergence forming on the daily time frame. And also, Bitcoin is forming a rising wedge pattern, and rising wedge pattern is a bearish pattern. We have actually huge order block here acting as a support, very high order block. 300,000 BTC is on this level, $66,000. Yesterday, we have seen this wick. I think this was a fake out yesterday, guys. So we have seen Bitcoin drop quickly below the support trend line and quickly recovered. And right now, any moment now, we are going to see a direction here, whether Bitcoin is going up or down. So right now, again, if you're going to zoom out, guys, you're going to zoom out. So Bitcoin did this price action previously here. So we have seen Bitcoin breaks the previous all-time high. Bitcoin was on price discovery when it was trading above this level, guys. So this was the confirmation of the breakout here at around $60,000. So we are on price discovery, and then whoops, Bitcoin dropped back to $16,000. So right now, look at this, guys. This is overextended. This is FOMO driving the market right now. And most of the time, when majority are super bullish in the market, then that's the time they get reckless. They're going all in. They want that quick money and quick buck in the market. But eventually, they will be left holding the bags, guys. So if you want to FOMO on the red days, not on these green days, because I'll tell you, if you FOMO on this $65,000, guys, look at this. How long are you going to hold your bags? 400. Before you break even, that is like around 847 days, guys. 369, almost 2 years, two and a half years of holding Bitcoin. So again, I'm going to repeat, long term, I am very bullish on Bitcoin because, again, all of this institutions joining the game right now. We have countries, guys. We have El Salvador. We have also asset managers, big, huge asset managers joining the game. Banks FOMOing into Bitcoin right now. And this actually, Bitcoin is moving faster than gold, guys. Nobody expected this kind of move on the Bitcoin's price, because when gold ETF was approved, gold actually moved on a sideways channel for almost several months before going on parabolic. But Bitcoin, look at this. Once that spot Bitcoin ETF was approved, we have seen just unstoppable move from Bitcoin, guys. 7 months of green candles. So on the weekly time frame, we are in the overbought area. Fear and greed index is on the extreme greed level. And on the daily time frame, we have multiple bearish divergence plus the rising wedge pattern. So what are the odds? So in my own analysis, if you combine, we have the inflows coming from IBIT or the Bitcoin ETF. So that's bullish, guys. But we have the fear and greed index on the extreme greed level, not just on the extreme greed, but on this very, very high extreme greed level, on the 90 level, guys. So that's a bearish analysis for Bitcoin, extreme greed level. Plus, we have multiple bearish divergence on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are on the overbought area. And on the monthly time frame, we are also in the overbought area. And look at this, 7 consecutive months in green. So probably, hello chill, Filecoin analysis. So we'll go check out Filecoin after few charts here. So again, going back to Bitcoin, guys, I think we are due for a correction. I'm still holding my short position at around 72,300 as what we have discussed yesterday. And let's see how it plays out in the coming days, in the probably before the halving. Let's see if my analysis is correct. But again, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Again, I could be wrong, guys. And again, this is the same feeling when Bitcoin was trading at around $16,000. Majority are calling for $10,000. And I was one of the few who went on long, guys. I bought Bitcoin, $10,000 worth of Bitcoin at $10,000 when everyone was scared to buy, because majority are saying that Bitcoin is going to $5,000. Bitcoin is going lower, down to $10,000. But we find ourselves missing out on the pump because we follow the crowd. And right now, majority are again FOMOing into this massive pump. Look at this, guys. So when everyone was buying Bitcoin, Grayscale is actually one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin. So what Grayscale is doing right now, Grayscale is selling their GBTC, guys. So they're holding approximately 388,000 Bitcoins. And they have sold 6,000 Bitcoins today. In the past 7 days, they have sold 26,000 Bitcoins. But right now, again, BlackRock is accumulating all of these Bitcoins. But if you are going to analyze, Grayscale was on the game for a long time. And BlackRock is the new kid in town, guys. So BlackRock is like the newbie in the market who is buying all the Bitcoin like a crazy, mad. They're just sucking up all the Bitcoin right now. Just today, they have bought like 11,800 Bitcoins. In the past 7 days, they have bought 32,280 Bitcoins. So again, Grayscale is selling, guys. And Grayscale has been accumulating Bitcoin for long term. So who are you going to trust and follow? The one that has been talking about Bitcoin for very, very long time, who has been accumulating Bitcoin, or the one that just joined the game a few months ago? So I think Grayscale is just taking profits right now, and eventually we'll see the effect of this in the market, guys. They are still holding, again, they are still holding 388,000 Bitcoins. And BlackRock right now is one of the top who's buying all the Bitcoins in the market. 12,000 just today, guys. So let's see how this inflows will continue. If this inflows will continue in the coming days, let's see. Or are we going to see that final shakeout in the coming days? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So let's talk about altcoin, guys. So TON, I have predicted this cup in handle pattern, and the support or the buy zone for this one is at 1.8, guys. So look at this. We have this 200 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving average acting as a support on the daily time frame, guys. And right now, this is the updated chart of TON. The final target of this cup in handle pattern is around $5.29. And look at this beautiful move, guys. So perfect buy zone from that $1.8. And right now we are up by almost 100. Let's see. Let's see how many percent is this. It's not working. Let's try this one. Not working. All right. So what happened to my chart? Where is that chart? All right. This one. I don't know what's happening. Not working. So we are up, guys, by a significant amount of profit. We are up by significant amount of profit from this handle entry point, guys. So congratulations. If you are following me on Twitter, and also this was shared in our free public Telegram group, and of course in our Discord community, guys. So congratulations to those who were able to get into the trade. Next one is APT. So again, similar cup in handle pattern formation on this EPT chart. So short term buy zone will be around 8.46 and the target will be at 13.5. And look at this price action. Beautiful price action, guys. Perfect price action, actually. Not selling anything, chill. A shakeout would be a gift around the halving, and a long-term plan it is. And yes, I agree. The fear and greed index should cool off. So again, my point for the final shakeout is just to warn the majority in the market who are following El Capo, guys, because they're not holding any bags, because they are out. They are totally out of the market because they are following El Capo. So again, final shakeout will be the last opportunity to accumulate Bitcoins and altcoins before that parabolic run. And also, it is a good time to take advantage of that short volatility, guys. So long term, I'm still holding my long-term bags. I've sold some because I have already made a significant amount of profit. That's the main goal in trading, guys. The main goal is to buy low and sell high, not to buy low or not to buy and hold forever. So the main goal is to make some money. So that's the main purpose. We should be able to know how to sell. I don't think it's about selling everything, but at least take some profit. I agree 100%. Taking profit is the best feeling, guys. And of course, you need to enjoy. We need to enjoy the profits that we have made by holding our bags during the bear market. And right now, we have been waiting for this time. And this is the right time. The right time has come. And we need to stick to our plan. So again, I'm going to stick to my plan. So what I've told you on the previous stream, I'm going to sell at 69,000. I've did exactly what the plan is. I'm going to sell more at $85,000 and $95,000 Bitcoin. And I'm going to repeat the same process the next cycle. So again, looking at APT, going back to APT chart, this was exactly the plan, guys. Look at this. Cup and handle pattern, choppy price action, going down to 8.46 and then going back up. Look at this. Look at this price action, guys. Look at that. Beautiful price action. And right now, APT is actually holding this level, guys. Looks like a small bull flag on the lower time frame. But this resistance level is holding right now. And if APT will flip this into a support, then we might see probably, let me just refresh my page here. APT. So where is APT? All right, so if APT, if this cup and handle pattern plays out, then, and if this resistance, zone resistance, if APT flip this into a support, then we're probably looking at, if we drag it up here, so we're probably looking at $17 target, which will give us another 30%, guys, from the current level. So watch out for APT. Probably we'll see another price action or another leg up to $17. And if you want to stay up to date, guys, on the trades and the charts that we talk about during the stream, feel free to follow me on my social media accounts. Link are all in the description down below. Similar with Inch, guys. So Inch, this was a beautiful bull flag pattern. And yesterday I talked about this. I actually shared the trade in our Discord, guys. So our buy zone is around $30 to $32. Stop loss was at around $28. And look at this right now. Beautiful, beautiful chart. This is the exact chart that I have shared in our Discord community, guys. So beautiful, beautiful price action. And we're on our way to $57, which is the ideal breakout target for this bull flag pattern. Again, yesterday I've explained to take some profit at around $52, and I'm gonna move my stop loss at around $37, just below this candle wick right here, and gonna continue to hold. Let's see if Inch will continue to move up and hit the ideal breakout target at 57. So again, majority are asking about the indicator that I'm using in most of my chart. I am using Chart Prime. Right now, they have the 7 days risk-free trial, guys. So take advantage of this risk-free trial. Is actually one of the best paid indicator, guys. It can detect chart patterns, automatic chart pattern detection, and also it will give you the targets like this one. Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, it will show you whether Bitcoin or the chart is showing divergences, and also it will show you if the chart is in the overbought or in the oversold area. So take advantage of this indicator, guys. In my own opinion, this is one of the best. Also, you can activate the buy and sell signal, and it is indicated directly into your TradingView account. So look at this. You will get this invite-only script plus all of this Chart Prime indicator, Market Dynamics Pro, Market Oracle Pro, Prime Oscillator Pro, and Prime Screener. This one, you'll be able to screen the cryptos. So let me just remove this one first. So if you are going to use the Prime Screener, you'll be able to screen the cryptos or the altcoins. This one right here. So right now, XRP is showing buy signal, Bitcoin as well, showing buy signal, double check right there. The reactor is showing bullish. Dogecoin, BNB, and Ethereum, guys. So look at this. It will show you the trending cryptos, and of course, you can set the signal mode here and the reactor. One of the best indicator in the market so far. Also, MicroStrategy, guys, are holding an additional 8.1, are holding at 8.1 billion in profit right now. One of the OGs and one of the holders, diamond hands in the market, guys. So Michael Saylor has been buying Bitcoin from the all-time highs, going to the all-time lows. He only proves that DCA actually works, guys. So right now, MicroStrategy is holding $8.1 billion in profit, guys. So the best strategy overall is still DCA and hold for long term. Next one, Denkin upgrade. Yesterday talked about a possible sell the news event. So again, I'm gonna repeat, I am expecting a short-term pump for Ethereum, and watch out for that resistance zone level. I have shared the chart yesterday, so feel free to check it out. So let's jump into chart request and also Q&A. Let me know if you have any questions, chart request in the comment section down below.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right, so we have a whiff update, please. This was actually the previous chart, guys. Oh. So let's go check out a 4-hour time frame. So this was the previous analysis. So previous short entry, look at this, beautiful price action. We've seen that whiff drop back to the support and then bounce back up. Right now we are on this level, guys. Resistance short entry zone for whiff. So let's see how this plays out. It's actually the same chart. You are looking at the same chart, guys. Let's fix this one here. I don't know what's the... I think it's logarithmic chart. Don't have any support trend line here. All right, so we got a perfect bounce from this level, 1.63, and another rejection here from the previous high risk short entry point. So we have seen that drop back to 1.7, and this order block actually pushes the price back up. Look at this. We have this massive order block at around 1.79 up to $2 area. And right now, whiff is approaching this 100 level, guys. Fibonacci extension level, 100%. Let me actually see. Where's the actual level here? So at around 2.65, 100%. So resistance, new short entry zone, 2.65 up to 2.8. Let's see, the oscillator is approaching the overbought area, 4-hour time frame. So same level, guys. I'm going to look at the same level here, because if the daily candle closes above 2.65, so let's see, that will be our confirmation. That will probably go higher to the next Fibonacci level here, which is around 3.1 or $3 area, 127.2 Fibonacci level, guys. So right now, we're approaching that zone resistance. So let's see if maybe I'll try to DCA. I'll try to DCA here for whiff. Again, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice, guys. Always do your own research. So these are my levels. I have started to DCA some short position at the current level, 2.6 up to 2.8, guys. Stop loss, again, this is high risk because whiff, look at this move, guys. One daily candle here moves like 100%. So be extra careful, especially if you are trading altcoins like whiff, because this can go south and the volatility on altcoins are so high that you need to set your stop loss on like high percentage. So this one is like around 6.45% stop loss. So it is important that you know how to manage your risk. So that's for whiff, guys. I'm going to share this update in our Discord, by the way. So that's for WIF. Let's go check out Filecoin. And by the way, guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you are new and if you want to stay up to date, don't forget to click that notification bell. Welcome to the stream. Why crypto? Filecoin is moving on a sideways channel in between this two order block level, guys. So look at this. We have support we have order block. So bullish order block plus bearish order block. Right now, the price is in between, guys, consolidating. So look at this, forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. This is actually bullish because this looks like a bull flag as well. So this, let's see. Wow, that is a massive, massive target, guys. It's actually in confluence with, look at this. This is a major pivot point here. So look at this move, guys. Previous support here for Filecoin. And if this is a major level for Filecoin, guys, $16. And it is actually in confluence with the breakout target here. So let's see. Right now, the price is on support. So it looks like a bull flag here on the 4-hour time frame. Again, we have bearish divergences starting to form on the daily time frame. Looks like a breakout play here for, it's actually super high risk, but we'll try. We don't have much trade at around this area, so it is likely that if Filecoin breaks above, it is still likely that it can continue to move up. Another 54% move, guys. It's actually super high risk trade. Let's see our risk to reward ratio here. So we have this small 7%. Let's try this. High risk. Probably gonna go in long here. Look at this candle wicks right here. So candle wicks are forming higher lows, guys. So if this will continue to hold, we are looking at a minimum 10% here, and probably we'll see that massive candle going to $16.5. Filecoin, let me also enter a trade here near the support. All right, let's do this. Let me put this font. So this is going to be my buy zone here, 10.43 up to the current level, guys. So 10.67. Again, all charts on CA are for educational purposes only. I could be wrong here. If this breaks to the downside, then probably we are going to hit that stop loss. That's around 8% stop loss, guys. So almost 50-50 on the smaller time frame, but there's still a chance that we get that 50% move. High risk, high reward trade for Filecoin, guys. So if you are going to target the 50%, that will be like 10%. So stop loss just below this candle wick right here. That will give you 10% risk versus 54% reward. Could you check out Gary Network once for me? It's a social fi project, 200 million. Bought a bunch recently. Not familiar with Gary. So that's for Filecoin, guys. Probably will do like high risk crypto review soon, but not at this moment. So Filecoin, let's see how this plays out. Right now we are near the support, guys. We are near the support trend line. Let's see if this bull flag will play out. Let me share it first. So entry level, my entry level for this will be 10.43 up to 10.67. My stop loss for this one will be around 9.84. My TP for short term, let's do the TP1 around 10.9. TP2 around 11.2. TP3 will be 11.6. Moonshot. All right, so that's for Filecoin, guys. So I think that's it for today. We have done with Filecoin and APT TON. Watch out for APT. Another possible breakout if this will hold as a support. So let's see how our trades play out in the coming days. Bitcoin still hovering near $72,600. Our subscribers keeps on moving up. Thank you so much, and thanks for joining me today, guys. And don't forget to smash that like button. I would appreciate if we reach at least 30 likes on this video. And of course, don't forget to share this to your fellow traders. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye-bye.